Morning. I'm at Lee Martson Lakes today. Somewhere different. But if you can see behind me, there's no like access to it anymore. But there's a gate and you can still get through. So I thought I'd come really early and just have a look. I see a lake over there. I've never been here before. Just somewhere different. I haven't got that much time really today. I've got a lot of gardening to do. I've got to sort the pond out in the garden. The pumps, the fountain's leaking. So thought I'd have a quick look up here, and then just up the road there's another place called Broomley Croft. Is it Broomley Croft? Something like that. I'll have a look. I'll let you know when I get there. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look over there as well. So yeah, let's see what it's like here. It's a bit wet though at the moment. I'm gonna get soaked tonight walking through all this pretty long grass. But let's go and have a look. Well, I've been here about 20 minutes, half hour now. I haven't seen anything. Oh, that's a lie. I saw a buzzard and a heron, which I spooked. But that's about it. I haven't seen anything else. But I'm walking down the side of this river and it looks really good for kingfishers, but I haven't seen one yet. So I'm going to just follow it down for about another 15 so minutes. Just have a look. But it doesn't look too promising here, really. Although you can get pretty close to the water, which is quite good, because a lot of the other places I go you can't get nowhere near it. Well, it's interesting. I haven't seen anything yet, as I said before, but I'd put money on it that there's kingfishers down there. You're right by the river and it's slow in parts. Loads of overhanging branches and that. The problem I've got at the moment is I'm walking kind of, I've got the sun to my right and I can't see anything. So I'm going to keep walking. Oh, some nice rocks and that up there. Gonna have a little bit more of a walk up just to see what's there. And then I'll head back. But I'll just show you. Well, not one photo has been taken yet, but it's good up here. I think it shows promise. I've just been speaking to a guy who said up by this house here, where I turned around and kind of walked back, he said he sees the kingfishers up here a lot. So I'm gonna have a quick walk back up here, hang around for a couple of minutes,